gonna go to St. Louis, drive the car out there, and it'll be a good time.
This track's super sick. I'm trying to get used to the injury. It's like kind of weird. Did a couple laps and then my car died.
What's going on, guys? We just got back from the Ozarks. We were doing the Drift Route series out there, and the car took a little bit of damage, so I can show you what happened. And it also broke like on one of my last laps, so I already fixed it, sort of. I fixed the part that broke, but I can show you some of the damage, and then we're gonna fix it, and then we're gonna take it. This is the upcoming next weekend is St. Louis, so we're gonna go to St. Louis, drive the car out there, and it'll be a good time. The car took a hit to the side during comp from Daniel. It's not too bad, it's a little dented there, but the side skirt should cover all that, so I'm not really too worried about it. Just the problem is the side skirt basically exploded. When Daniel hit it, his wheel grabbed it and chucked it, and then like a run or two later, nobody picked it up, so a car went off track and ran it over, so it was in like, it's just smashed. I don't have a whole lot of time to deal with fixing it, so if you remember from the previous video, this is the side that I crashed, and Austin came and helped me. So I'm just gonna pay Austin to do the fiberglass for me, and then I can spray it in the garage. So I'm gonna spray it Saturday right before I drive down to St. Louis. I just wanted to have like all the body panels. That's the only reason I keep fixing like the side skirts and that sort of stuff. You see that little red wire that's right there? That red wire was the replacement of the wire that burned. So this engine harness is a factory engine harness, but I had to wire it to the car and like make it work. For this harness, you have to have like a constant 12-volt wire. And for some reason, after like 7 years of having this engine in the car, that wire burned. I did notice like a bunch of my ECU and a bunch of other wiring was hanging down. I think maybe the passengers have like kicked it or something, and then it like got everything loose and maybe made that wire short a little bit, but it burned. I shut the kill switch off and it stopped. So I'm not sure exactly why. I double checked all the wiring and everything was the correct sizing and everything. So we went ahead and just replaced it, and we'll run an event or two and then try to put the wiring specialties in and see how it does. I just picked up my side skirt from Austin. He did all the fiberglass repair on it, so I don't have to deal with it. However, I'm gonna have to paint it still, and we have to leave the house at 4 in the morning. So I got everything loaded up in the truck already. Well, I got the car loaded up. I still gotta load up tires and everything. Yeah, car's all loaded up on the trailer. Gotta load tires. The Z's out here so we can paint inside here and not get everything dirty. Probably should move the ground mount as well. Got the side skirt all painted. First coat of clear coat is drying on it, so it looks a little weird, but just like that. Side skirt is on. And it's like super late, and we gotta leave at like 4 in the morning, so I'm gonna try and catch a couple hours of sleep, and then we'll hit the road and we'll see you guys at St. Louis.
found a wire or a plug that wasn't plugged in, so I'm hoping that's all I have to do is plug this plug in. I probably unplugged it, but I don't remember unplugging it. But during all this intercooler piping stuff, pulling all that out, I probably unplugged it or something. So hopefully that's the only issue, and we can still run the rest of the day, because I only got like 3 laps, so that'd be sick. Super sick. I'm trying to get used to the entry. It's like kind of weird. My car tries to lock up, and then I have to like clutch kick to get it to unlock. So it's really awkward. But we're still overheating a little bit. So every like lap or two, we have to chill out for a minute. But this track's pretty sick though. I'm enjoying it quite a bit. RPF1's on here. We can get the retire and stuff like that, lower it, but leaving the event, rolling home. Jordan and Gio. Jordan's 1UZ hatch, or coupe, sorry. Gio's KA hatch. We're back at home. The car had a issue with the differential, so didn't get as many laps as I wanted to, but Thunder Valley is pretty sick. It seems like kind of like a miniature, like Japanese style course, like track, so it's pretty cool. I was leading in front of Gio one of the laps, and my car started clunking really bad, and then multiple times later in the day I would clutch kick and it would rev out and wouldn't go anywhere. It's kind of like almost like a fried clutch, but I'm pretty sure it's my diff. I have a new one here that we're cleaning out, but I'm pretty sure the gear like here where the drive shaft is like fried, because I would jack the rear of the car up and you could rotate it like a quarter of a turn before it would start engaging anything, and it was clunking really bad. So pretty sure I blew up the diff, but we have an extra one sitting here, so we'll throw that in and be good. Yeah, so there was
2 weekends in a row that we went drifting, and it was sort of insane. A lot of stuff went down. I mean, we had fixed the car, repaint parts of the car, and go redrive it. Now we're fixing a diff, and here in a couple weeks we'll be in Ozarks. So I look forward to seeing you guys there, and see you guys in the next video.